Hey everybody, Jackie here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a starter. Today, we'll be changing the starter on a 2014 Ford F-150, but procedures will vary, so be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Since digital presets in certain vehicles can be lost when the negative battery terminal is disconnected, check your service manual for the proper procedure. Disconnect the negative battery cable and set it aside, making sure it isn't touching metal. Lift and support the front end and chock the rear wheels. Locate the starter and remove the solenoid terminal cover. Loosen and remove the two terminal nuts and the terminals. Note where these terminals go on the starter to help simplify the new starter installation. On this vehicle, you'll also remove the transmission cooling line bracket nut and move the cooling lines to the side. Remove the lower starter mounting stud bolt and move the ground cable to the side. Now you can remove the upper mounting stud bolt and lower the starter. Lift your new starter into position and finger tighten the upper mounting bolt. Install the lower mounting bolt through the ground cable eyelet and thread it into the starter by hand. Once the bolts are snug, torque both to manufacturer specifications. Reposition the transmission cooling lines and secure them with the bracket nut. Reinstall the two starter cables in their appropriate terminal positions and secure them with the terminal nuts. Replace your starter solenoid terminal cover. Lower the front end and remove the wheel chocks. Reconnect the negative battery cable and close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.